Hello everyone, I am Dhanya TN, computer teacher from Reliance Foundation School, Lodh Valley. Today I am going to show a program, Gesture Fruit Hunt. In the Gesture Fruit Hunt game, prepare an exciting adventure as the monkey tracks the position of your middle finger to catch falling fruit. Get ready to use your hand gestures to control the monkey's movement and test your agility in this fun-filled fruit catching challenge. Happy hunting. So I will show you how it works, and then we can modify also more with more fruits and with another that I think are different color fruits, and also this just I'm showing you how it works. This is very simple one that I'm going to run on. Yes, now my gestures, I think you can see the sound is coming, right? Yes, so this way you can play this game and to try this program. Thank you so much.